Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you could use a portrait mode on the iPhone XR on anything, and I mean on anything. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so as you know, the iPhone XR can do an amazing portrait photos, but the sad thing is you can't do it in anything other than a human face. Try your dog, your turtle, your tiger, it's not gonna come out no matter how much you try. And that sucks. It's kind of something that people are thinking when they want to buy the 10S or the 10R. For me, I got a 10R. And I was a little disappointed when I went to take a picture of one of my decorations and I can't do portrait mode. It sucks. So I'm not showing you in this video how you could get away and do portrait mode on anything, even a rock. And not just that, you will get some more other cool features that are not on the regular iPhone app, which is amazing. Let's get to it. I'm sure you're already catching my drift. We're talking about an app, and this app is called FOCOS. So the app is called FOCOS. In English, it translates to light bulb. I think it's a pretty cool, clever name. So I had this app for the past year, and this app takes it above and beyond. Not only you can control your bokeh and you can control the depth of field on the pictures, you could add some cool little features. You could actually add a couple lights, edit the size. Dude, let me actually, you know what? Let me stop right there, and I'm gonna show you right now. So. Okay, so I have one of the photos right here that I took with the app. Pretty much it will save it into your camera roll, and then you can open them up in the actual app too, as you can see here. So these are the photos that that qualify and were taken and have the information of a portrait. So that's what I'm able to come out here. So I could pick one, for example, this guy right here that was taken. So main thing is the same thing with the phone, with the regular app. I could control the f aperture to control the bokeh, how blurry I want it to be. Now we're gonna go to this feature right here with a little light bulb lighting. As soon as you open it, it switches up to this cool 3D map right here, kind of like Tron type of thing, with all the information where everything stands. It's a little bit tricky, I haven't got used to using it, but look at this. So the Pokeball being on the front, the Christmas tree, and then the TV. So all the information right there. So a cool thing about this, so I have all this information right here. I could tap right here, new light. It will give me a couple of sources. So I could do, let's do a flashlight. Boom. It will literally add a 3D flashlight with the same idea of how a flashlight illuminates, and put it on the picture, and I can move it around and light that thing. I can literally just throw a flashlight in the back if I want to. I could arrange the range, the shadow, like even the color. So I want a blue light. You can hardly see that there, but look at that. Boom, blasting a purple light in the background. And then if I want to, I could add a softbox over here. Cool. And then you want to take a look how it looks? Look, it will show you right there. I can still move them around, so you have an idea. That's pretty cool. I haven't used that option that much, but the fact that it's there, I think is just cool. Then we go 3D. Sorry, we're gonna go to effects now. So now that I added that lighting into the information of the photo, it comes here in a form of like a little section. So here's the back bokeh. I could reduce that in a second to see where the bokeh starts. So I want it right, kind of like right here. The lighting, I want the lighting to be just in the back from bokeh. There we go. Okay, well, let's go back to the regular. Actually, you can't tell that much difference. It's still playing with the app, not a pro on it, but my god, it's like so much you could do here. I can save this. Boom. To me, just the fact that I had those little sheds on the Christmas tree, that's already like damn cool. I mean, no, yeah, I mean, that's just cool already. And obviously, this right here for mask to control to brush what you want, kind of more detail, what's gonna be in focus and what's not, and you can control more of it. I hardly use this feature right here because usually when I take the photo, I take my time taking the photo, and the software, the app does a really good job focusing what I wanted to focus. I never had issues, and that's it. That's kind of like the just the gist of it, like kind of what you could do. Cropping, you got your essential cropping here. That's it. Nothing else. I'm already like more than happy with the fact that I can make my Christmas light into poop, and the fact that I can control the focus on the picture. That's just already cool. Alright guys, so that's the app, that's Focus. What do you think? I like it, hope you guys like it. Remember, this app is free, so you can do a lot of the things for free without buying the actual app. And if you're interested in the prices, you could do a month for 99 cents to try it out, if you like it or not. If you want to do, you know, a year, lifetime, it's about $11.99 to keep it forever, which I think is a good deal because this app is constantly being updated. Support is there. Whenever a bug is encountered, people do reporting on to the developers, and they're pretty quick about fixing those issues. And I believe now it works on the iPad, so actually that's pretty cool. I mean, you got the iPad Pro, you could use the app in there. But yeah, guys, so that's Focus, one of my most favorite apps of 2018. Even to this year, I'm still using it. I love it. I hope you guys find this video useful and take your photos to a different level. Hopefully this helps you to take some amazing portrait photos of something else besides humans. Hope you guys liked the video. If you interested in seeing some of the pictures I take, you can check out my Instagram right here. And one more thing, guys. If you are interested in me making more videos like this, apps or things about the iPhone, tips and tricks, leave a like, leave me a comment, and I'll start working on those stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.